In this example, I need to solve the problem 9n minus 3 times the quantity 2n minus 1 equals 15. Since it has an equals in it, it's an equation. And what's the highest degree on any of our variables? It's a 1. Therefore, this is a linear equation. In solving linear equations, step 1 is to clear any denominators. I don't have any in this case. Step 2 is to remove any parentheses using the distributive property. So that's the first thing that I'm going to have to do here. So I'm going to have 9n, then I'm going to distribute negative 3n, so negative 3 times 2n is negative 6n. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3, equals 15. So I've removed my parentheses here. Now, can we simplify the left-hand side? Yes, I have two like terms. I have 9n minus 6n, which is 3n, so I can combine those, plus 3 equals 15. On the left-hand side, I have two unlike terms, can't combine them. So now the goal in solving linear equations is get your variables on one side, your constants on the other. Well, luckily, I only have one variable. It's on the left, so I'm going to move my constants over to the right. Since I have plus 3 here, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. The reason I do that is 3 minus 3 is 0. So the only thing left on the left-hand side is 3n. So I get 3n equals 15 minus 3 is 12. Now, how do I get n by itself? I'm going to divide both sides by 3. These 3's here reduce, and I just get left with 1n over 1, which is just n, equals 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now we've solved the equation, but it's always good to check your work. And to check it, you plug it in the value n equals 4 into the very original equation. So that means wherever I see an n, here and here, I'm going to put a 4. So I'm going to have 9 times 4 minus 3 times the quantity 2 times n. So that's 2 times 4 minus 1 should equal 15. So we're going to evaluate what's in parentheses first. So I have 9 times 4 minus 3 times 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. That should equal 15. So now I can do my multiplication. 9 times 4 is 36. Minus 3 times 7 is 21, should equal 15. And 36 minus 21 is 15. So does 15 equal 15? Yes, that means you got this problem right. The answer was n equals 4.